All right, guys. So we're back again from the break in Zoom. At this point, is there anybody who would be able to walk us through question 7?
I'll try, sir.
All right. All right, so I'm going to write the question down below here. So go ahead, Miss Trivia.
Okay, so I have.
Hold on a second. All right, so we're working question 7. Go ahead now.
I have negative 4A minus 5B
All right, so negative 4A minus 5B. I need to, all right, minus 5B
plus 3C
plus 3C
minus 4A
minus 4A
minus 6B
minus 6B
plus 8C
minus 6B plus 8C.
8C.
All right, before we go any further, let us verify, you said plus 8C, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let us verify that your result is correct so far.
Yeah.
Anybody else got the same result for the removal of the brackets for question 7? Let me see your hands. Let me see the hands of those who got this result. Anybody?
Sir, it's 8C and not 4C.
Oh, yeah, I wrote the wrong thing there. Sorry about that. So it's 8C. Anybody else got this result? Let me see. All right, Mr. Ojino. Anybody else? Mr. Guerra, Mr. Campbell. All right. All right, so I see a few persons raise their hand. Continue, Ms. Trivia.
Then I group the terms. I have negative 4A.
All right, so you're grouping 4A, negative 4A.
Minus 4A minus 5B minus 6B plus 3C plus 8C.
So continue.
Then I have negative 8a minus 11b plus 11c.
You say you have minus 11b
Yes, sir.
plus
Plus 11c.
all right. So is that your final answer?
Yes, sir. That's where I stop.
All right. Thanks very much, Mr. Trevor. Is there anybody else who got the same result as Mr. Trevor? Okay. Anybody else? All right. Very good, guys. So I'm going to ask someone else now to work through question 8 for me. Who would like to go ahead for question 8?
I would like to try, sir.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Ojina.
All right. For the first bracket, I have
Continue.
2x squared minus 10x For the second bracket, I have x minus x squared plus 2x
Next.
For the third bracket, I have minus 3x squared plus 15x. And then I have 2x squared.
All right, so you're giving me the answer to the simplified version.
Yes, sir. I'm starting to simplify them now.
All right, so you're giving me the value for the squares, the x squares.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what you get for the x squares?
2x squared minus x squared.
All right, so the question that I want to ask you though, what sign is the x squared, the 2x squared that you're giving?
Minus 2x squared.
Okay.
No, hold on there, sir. Hold on. Think of the answer you want.
No, man, is that the answer? Well,
Oh,
all right. Walk me through what you're doing. What you're doing first.
all right.
What you're doing.
I've come by the answer. We have 2x squared
All right, so you have 2x squared
minus x squared
minus x squared
minus 3x squared
Okay. Continue.
and the answer for that is going to be minus 2x squared.
So all of this is going to give you minus 2x.
2x squared. Yeah.
All right.
For the next quarter now we're going to have 10x
Just 10x.
minus 10x plus 2x
plus
2x plus 15x. And the answer is 7x for that.
all right, so this simplified to 7x.
Yes.
And that's your final answer, right?
Yes, sir. Final answer is positive 7x minus 2x squared.
Positive 7x. Oh, okay. Sorry. So this is supposed to be positive 7x. So your answer is positive 7x
Minus 2x squared.
minus 2x squared. All right. Did anybody else got the same result as Mr. Who was that again? Arjuna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anybody else got the same results answer? All right. So I saw two hands got the same answer. Anybody else apart from Miss Clark and Miss Wason? All right, so if you haven't gotten that one, please make a note of it so that you can walk it through yourself and convince yourself that it is correct. All right, so moving on to the next question. Who would like to walk us through question 9? So we are going to be looking at question 9 now. Ms. Green, you want to try question 9 for us?
No, sir. I'm not finish your workout yet, sir.
Okay. Anybody else would like to try question 9? Miss Maywa, want to try question 9?
Sir, no, sir. I'm not really sure how to approach this question.
Okay. All right. Miss Clark,
Yes, sir.
want to try question 9?
Yes, sir. Hold on. All right. I have 3A.
Give me a second. Miss. So for question 9, multiplying out, we have 3A
Yes, sir. Minus 3B.
minus 3B
Minus 4A. Plus 6B. Plus 4A.
minus 12B. Grouping the terms now, sir. I have 3A
On to the Ms. Clark.
3 plus 3B
Is it plus 3B?
no, sir. Hold on.
This is 3B here.
Oh, yes, so minus 3B, sir. Negative 3B.
All right, come to the Miss.
Plus 6B. How much water? Minus 12B.
Plus 6B minus 30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so walk me through the rest now.
All right, I have, not 3A plus, no, 3A minus 3B.
That's your final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, could you just walk us through how you arrive at your answer though?
Oh, no, sir. 4A, 4A minus 3A. No.
All right, so here we have 3A minus 4A plus 4A. So when we add a negative 4A with a positive 4A, those can go to 0. So you have
Yes, sir.
3A. Here we have negative 3B, positive 6B, negative 12B. So you add the negatives. So you add negative 3 with negative 12, you will get negative 15. Then now you add with positive 6, you will get negative 9. And so you have negative 9B. What is that?
Sir, go again.
Go again, sir, please.
All right, so negative 3 plus negative 12 give you what? Negative 15. Negative 15B. And now you have positive 6. Now remember, you have to take away the 6 from the 15
Oh, yeah.
and keep the sign, so you get negative 9b. Let me see the hand of those who got that. Okay, very good, Mr. Eugene. All right, who want to walk us through the last one?
Sir, me not really get number 9.
You don't get number 9. What is it that you don't get? You weren't following?
Yes, sir.
So where you got lost?
The workout part at the last section.
So the first, the expansion part of the top here, are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
And down here now, we are grouping like terms. So we group all the A's together. So you have 3A, then minus 4A, then positive 4A. Are you seeing that so far?
Yes, sir. I have all of that work out
And
already.
then now you have minus 3B plus 6B minus 12B. Have that?
Yes, sir.
You're good with that, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what we need now is to simplify by adding the like terms.
Okay, sir.
And then now, when we add like terms, the like terms here that we have, we would have
For
for the
3A.
A's. Yeah, for the A's, we have 3A minus 4A plus 4A. Well, but because there's a negative 4A and a positive 4A, when you add those, you get 0.
Okay, sir.
And so you're only left with what?
3A.
Right, you're only left with 3A, so that you'll get that for the A's. Now for the B's now, you look carefully, you have negative 3B, you have
And negative 12.
you have negative 12B. So
They will add the 3 and the 12.
the key thing here, you look for the negatives and add them together.
Okay, sir.
Negatives here is the negative 3B with the negative 12B, you add those together because they are negative and keep the sign. So you would now have negative
15B.
And then the positive 6B now you have to add that with the 15.
Why?
And so when you're adding positive and a negative, you find the difference. So you take away 6 from 15. And
9.
you get what?
9B.
9B. So you're good now.
Yes, sir.
All right, great. Let me see the hands of those who understand what's happening here. All right, so moving along quickly now. Need somebody to do question 10 for us. And the time is running out. So let us see if we can go through it before finish. Anybody, any volunteer? All right, let me just go through this one quickly for you. So you have 3x times x squared. You'll get what? 3x cubed. All right, so you have 3x cubed. And then 3x times 7x, 3 7 is 21, and then you have x times x, you get 21x squared. And then now you have 3x times 1 give you negative 3x. Now we have, for the next bracket, we have negative 2x times 2x squared, that give you negative 4x cubed. And then negative 2x times positive 3 give you negative 6x. And then now for the next bracket, we have negative 3 times x squared, you get negative 3x squared. And then we have negative 3 times positive 5, we get negative 15. Now, for the like terms, the cubes are the same. So the x cubes, we add those together. We see that this is a positive 3x cubed. This is a negative 4x cubed. So you subtract 3x cubed from 4x cubed. You will be left with negative x cubed. And so that would be for the cubes. And then now we have for the x squared, we have positive 21x squared. And we have negative 3x squared. So we subtract 3x squared from 21x squared. We are left with 18x squared. So that would be positive 18x squared. And so now we have, in terms of the x's, we have negative 3x, and then we have negative 6x. So we add those and keep the negative sign. That gives us negative 9x. And then now, in terms of the numbers, we only have negative 15. So that's what we will get for our final answer. Let me see the answer, those who have actually gotten that answer correctly. All right. All right, very good, guys. All right, so everybody, let me see your hands if you are comfortable with at least you understand the procedure of how to carry out these expansion. All right, let's wait some. All right, so it seems like Mr. Jano, Trivia, and so on. All right, guys, so for your own sake, you need to practice just to become a little bit more efficient in doing these, because in the interest of time, you don't want to be taking too long to do this question. All right, so the next part of this expansion or removal of bracket, this is what we'll be looking at next class. So I'm going to ask that you read ahead and come next class prepare for us to go to the product of two binomial expressions. All right, guys. With that said, we are going to end class here. So we're going to resume next class.